studied and without copy or written, I think so. But okay, but minimum is 18, maximum is 25 marks in that. But second side is trial, internal marks also very important. That's why you can attend the class, you have a textbook, practice, and MCQ or just you can prepare how they are coming MCQ you can see. And any other textbook also possible is just you can see. Because attempting MCQ is totally different, passing the other the normal subject is totally different. Subject anyway 10 marks question will attempt nicely will get the mark. MCQ is not like that. If we have a full knowledge, whole grip in the subject on depth of knowledge only you can able to do the MCQ. We can revise each and every word you can read in the textbook. Then only you will get anywhere you will get one MCQ chances are there. Maybe they are not selecting from the old MCQ also. From textbook they are randomly they are framing the questions now. So carefully you can prepare. Next. Today we do some problems on pigeonhole. Then next class we can go the new chapter. Pigeonhole already discussed. If n pigeons are accommodated m, n greater than m is what? What is the pigeonhole principle is telling? Greatest integer of n minus 1m by m plus 1. This is the pigeonhole principle. This is already I told you. Always you will get greatest integer. Greatest integer of function x means what? That value you can take x less than or equal to that x. Okay. Then the principle of exclusion, inclusion also we done. Next, slowly we do one problems. Now see, this is very good problem. A man hiked for 10 hours and covered total distance of 45 kilometers. 10 hours. So one man is what? Kidnapped by somebody. So during in 10 hours he is kidnapped and totally he traveled 45 kilometers. And total distance of 45 kilometers, if known that he hiked 6 kilometers in first hour, kilometers last hour. See, totally how many hours he hiked? Tell me. Totally how many hours he hiked?
10.
10 hours. In that among the 10 hours, first hour is what 6 kilometers and last hour is 3 kilometers. Then how many kilometers we have to discuss? Now see the question actually. Now what they are asking, show that he must have hiked them at least 9 kilometers within a certain period of 2 consecutive hours. Within certain of 2 consecutive hours. Now tell me, now understand or not? 10 hours he hiked, total is 45 kilometers. I can able to know first hour is 6 kilometers, last hour is 6 kilometers. This is what? 3 kilometers. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This balance is what? If you see hours, right? 8 hours. Then kilometer wise, if you see what is that?
36.
Huh? 36.
36.
9 kilometers. So kilometers if you see is what? 36 kilometers. Now, what is telling? Take any consecutive 2 hours. 2 hours means what? First hour is hour, last hour is hour. Then what you get? Second and third. Or third and fourth. Fourth and fifth. Fifth and sixth. Sixth and seventh. Seventh and eighth. Eighth and ninth. Whatever may, if you take means what he is telling, he may be correct in 9 hours. 9 kilometers. How you will do? Tell me. Now, pigeonhole principle how to use? balance 36 kilometers. How many consecutive hours will you get? How many hours are there? Totally 8 hours. Consecutive means what? 2 hours. If you divide means what? Sorry, you can say second and third, fourth and fifth and sixth and seventh, and eighth and ninth. Like this you will get. Okay. So how many hours you will get? 4 consecutive hours you will get. Balance 8 is what? 4 consecutive hours you will get. 2 hours if you divide it, 4 consecutive 2 hours. So successfully 2 hours if you divide it, 4 you will get. Now we can frame the formula. N is what? How many kilometers? Peasants is N actually, correct? Kilometers like this. N is 36. Now you can use the formula. N is what here? 4. 2 consecutive hours if you take in 8 hours, I can divide into 4 consecutive hours. 4 2 hours. So totally 4. Then greatest will be there. What is the answer is in 35 by 4. What will you get? Any 2 consecutive hours, he may cover 9 kilometers. Getting or not? Any doubt? See, again I am reading problem. A man hiked for 10 hours and covered a distance of 45 kilometers. It is known that he hiked 6 kilometers in first hour and only 3 kilometers in last hour. Show that he must have hiked at least 9 kilometers within a certain period of 2 consecutive hours. So what you will do, since man hiked 6 plus 3, 9 kilometers, first and last hour, he must have the 30 kilometers during the period of the second to ninth hour. So we consecutively means what? Second, third hour together, fourth, fifth hour together, so on. Successfully you can take. So 4 consecutively you will get. Any problem now? Getting or not? But you have to find out who is the peasant, who is the peasant whole. That is important. More members should be always peasants only. N greater than M. N peasants can be occupied. M peasant holes. Here holes length is 4 only. So getting or not? Any problem? Got it or not? Any idea? Not, you people are not telling. Okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So,
Yes, sir.
read problem and think actually, analyze. Next. Now, another very, very good problem. Repeatedly, they will ask this problem also. Clear above now this. This problem in textbook available. This I am not noted down the questions actually. I have sent you textbook. Maybe I am having this new edition without chapter. Maybe you have another chapter. Combinators you can see. All exams are available. Only randomly I am taking and I am doing. Next. Shall I above this? Next. This is very, very good question. If we select 10 points in the interior of the equilateral triangle of side 1, show that there must be at least 2 points whose distance is equal to less than 1 by 3. See, equilateral triangles, 3 sides are equal. We select 10 points in the interior of an equilateral triangle of side 1. Show them that there must be at least 2 points whose distance apart less than 1 by 3. Now, this side is 1 centimeter, 1 unit, whatever the centimeter, kilometer, whatever the 1 mile. You can take a 1 unit. So this I divide into 3 parts actually. This also I will divide 3 parts. I think maybe problem not comes nicely, you can draw properly. Nice. Given triangle is ADG. Given triangle is ADG. And divided into each side is 3 equal parts. So B, C, E, F, H. 3 points divided. This is 1 point, 1 point. Nice. So how many triangles? Now you see. Now all are equilateral triangle only. Now can you able to tell? This is also an equilateral triangle. This is also an equilateral triangle. All are same area actually. This triangle, this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, this triangle. Maybe I am not able to draw properly this. But these small triangles, side length, can you tell what is the length? Tell me. What is the side length of this small triangle? Can you able to tell? All 9 triangles are equilateral.
1 by 3.
Very good, excellent. The big triangle also equilateral triangle. But big triangle each side is what? 1 unit. Whatever I don't know, 1 kilometer or 1 centimeter or 1 mile or whatever may be. Correct? 1 unit. So that 1 unit what I am telling divided into 3. So this side is what actually 1 by 3. This side is 1 by 3. This side is 1 by 3. This side is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. This 1 by 3. Obviously this one. This side is equal to this was automatically 1 by 3 only you get. So each side is 1 by 3. Now you can tell. 9 points, 9 interior points I fixed actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Suppose if I fix any 10th point, that distance between that points, another point distance will be what? Less than 1 by 3 or more than 1 by 3? Obviously it's less than 1 by 3 or not? Wherever you can place that point, distance between them is what? Guaranteed is less than 1 by 3 because all sides only 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Wherever if you sit inside is what? Automatically it should be 1 by 3. Getting or not? Any doubt? But you have to write the story. What is telling? Let AD is the given equilateral triangle. The points of B, C, E, F, H are the points of trisection of the sides AD, DG, GA respectively. AD, DG, okay, CA respectively. GA, sorry, respectively. We have divides triangle AD into 9 equilateral triangles, each side of 1 by 3. The 9th subtriangle may be regarded as a 9 pigeonholes, and 10 interior points may be regarded as a 10 pigeons. Then, by pigeonhole, at least one subbit triangle must have 2 contained interior points. The distance between any 2 interior points of any subtriangle cannot exceed the length of the side, namely 1 by 3. Getting or not? So, you have to do the conclusion. Distance between any triangle cannot exceed the 1 by 3. Okay, this is one good problem. Next one problem. Lot of problems are there. Now, this triangle problem is very, very important. Length should be in if equilateral triangle, 10 interior point, any 2 points is what distance may be, like MCQ they may ask, is 1 by 3. But the condition is what? Side length is what? What is side length? Or are we there or not? What is side length? People are hearing me or not? Hello? Side length 1 means you will get 1 by 3. Suppose if they get actually side length is what? L means what? You will get L by 3. N means they give me what? N by 3 you will like this will get. So they may be twisty also. Instead of I am telling 1 means I got the answer 1 by 3. In questions, if there were different questions I want to prepare means what? Side length is the confusing, I will tell you 10. So means 10 point means what? 3 equilateral means 3 points. If I use 10 by 3 you will get. Correct or not? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, sometimes L also they will tell. Instead of giving number L, length is L. So, you may tell L by 3. So, don't confuse. I may produce so many questions. Basically, one I am starting. So, I want more questions. Means what? Can I tell the length is L, length is N, length is M. So, obviously M by 3 without knowing number. Whatever 1 means 1 by 3, 10 means 10 by 3, 20 means 20 by 3 like this. Next. This problem can help me, you should tell. Getting or not? Very good problem, this problem. According to pigeonhole, it's very, very good problem. Okay, next question. Find the number of integers between 1 and 25. Shall I resolve this?
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
resolve this tiny problem?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Now tell how you will do. Not divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now first you can find which are the divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we can choose let. Now how you will do, tell me. Already I given the formula, principle of exclusion and inclusion like this. First are which are divisible by this A, B, C, D you can find. Then after that what you will do? Which are not divided means what you will do? In probability also something you will do. 1 minus of probability A is equal to what you will get? 1 minus of probability A is equal to what you will get? A dash will get, 1 is
Yes,
what
sir.
is the total probability. Here 1 I cannot say, just you can link like that. The total divisible numbers are what? Total numbers are, how many numbers are there with me in my hand?
250.
That is a universal set, big set like this. In that minus, what are the divisible by 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, if I done my job is over or not? Complete or not?
Yes, sir.
Now tell how you will do. Now you can think principle of exclusion or inclusion, some formulas are given, think A, B, C, D also are given. Now tell how you will do. Everything in your hand, everything I told. Just frame the formula, attack. A, B, C also given. From this, what formula I will do? Let divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 7 means what is the formula I will use? You can find the this formula is what I use. Principle of exclusion given or not? First you can take single. Odd means what? Plus even means minus I told. Now 2 set you can take. Next 3 you can take. 4 you will get. Correct or not? Write the formula now. Tell frame the formula please. Then single over. Now 2 you can take. 4 letters, 2 combination. Now you will get. Four C2 means what? 4 into 3 divided by 2. So 2 cancel means what? 6 you will get, I think so. 6 combinations you will get. Tell me now.
Minus A intersection B.
That is even is plus minus I told you, correct? Minus.
Minus A intersection C.
Very good.
minus A intersection D.
Super. With A you started nicely. Then
Minus A B intersection C.
minus
B intersection C.
minus next.
B intersection D.
Nice. Excellent. So you started with A, then B, then
Minus C intersection D.
minus.
C intersection D.
How many got type C? Check. 1, 2,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6. That is 4 C2 combinations. Correct or not? 4 letters, 2 combinations. Now, 3 combinations. How you will do? Plus or minus or?
Plus.
Very good. Plus. Now what we get? 4C3. 4C3 means what? That is nothing but 4C1. 4 combinations you will get. Correct? Now tell me.
A intersection B intersection C.
ABC. ABC plus.
ABD.
Very good. Excellent. Otherwise, you can write A, B, C,
BCD.
C, A like this.
Yes, sir.
A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, A. Then maybe D, A, B will get, I think so. Okay, come on next. 4 I want to let you know. A, B, C over
ACD.
A, C, D. Plus
BCD.
A, ABC over ABD over ACD over then
BCD.
B, BC.
BCD.
I think all combinations over. Huh? Check. 4 only out to get. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Huh? ABC, ABD, ACD, BCD. Over I think so. Correct? Huh? Because 4 in 4 numbers next. Next what will get?
A intersection B intersection C intersection
Minus
D.
or plus or?
Minus.
Very good. Now we can find some number of A how we will get. Divisible by 2. How we will get? Let A be divisible by 2. So what we will get? 120, 250 by 2, that is 120. Number of A is equal to what? 125. Or this is nothing but you can write 250 by 2. Yes. P how many will get? 250 by 3. What is the value? Greatest integer you can take. 250 by 3 or what you will get?
$83.
Very good. Next. C. 250 by 5. Note it down everyone formula. Share about this problem. A, B, C is what? 250 by 5. That is 50. B is what? 250 by 7. Integer part only I am taking. 35. intersection B. A intersection B means what? 2 and 3. So 6 you can do. Correct or not? LCM of 2 and 3 if you take means what? 6 you will get. So A intersection B is equal to what? 6. What is the value? 41 na? Then A intersection C. A intersection C what you get? 2 and 5 huh? Correct or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
2 and 5 means what?
10.
What will get? 10. Integer value of that value you can find out. What is that value? 25. Then A intersection D. If you take A intersection D means what? 250 by 4. 14. 7. 2 into 7. LCM is 14. 17. Then A intersection D over A intersection B over A intersection C over A intersection B over B intersection C. B intersection C you can find out. B intersection C is what? 3 and 5. 25 by 15. That is equal to 16. Then B intersection D. B intersection D is what? 21. 3 and 7. 21 means what I will get? 11. Now C intersection D. C intersection D is what? 5 and 7. 35. C intersection D. To do yourself, this time writing roughly zigzagly. C intersection D is what? 250 by 35. That what you get? 7. Now if we do in A, B, C, A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. Means what? LCM of 2, 3, 5. 30. You will get 30, I think so. Yes, 250 by 30. Wait. Okay. A intersection B intersection E means what? 2, 3, 7. 42. Fine. Then A intersection C intersection D means what? 2, 5, 7. 70. Then B intersection C intersection D. B intersection C intersection is what? 3, 5, 7. 3 into 5, 15, 15 into 7, 70 plus 35, 105. Correct? Huh? That is answer is what? 2. Then all combination. A intersection B intersection C intersection D. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So means what? 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30, 30 into 7, 210. Okay. So 250 by 2 10. So you get 1. Now everything available means what? Write in the formula. What is formula? Now, getting or not? So your LCM taking A and C is what? 2 and 5. A and B is what? 2 and 7. C and D is what? 5 and 7. Like this LCM and taking 105, 205, 15, 14, 10, 35 or 10. Any problem, sir? Am I confusing
No,
like
sir.
that? Okay, clear or not? Now substitute in formula. Still my problem is not completed. These all are the numbers which are divisible by 2 or 3 or 5 or 7. But my answer is what? I want to find which is not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7. Just up to now what I done that all this nonsense is what? I going to find for 2, 3, 5, 7 only. But my answer is totally different. First I will find out. After that I will go for that. What I need actually. Getting or not? Now come on. Write again formula and substitute it. Clear about this. Note it down, all of you. Okay, wait, I'm coming. Some phone has come. Okay. Now, just you can substitute the formula, you will get the whole answer. What is the answer? Anyone prepared? Tell me. Any answer you got?
161.
No, what? No, not 161 yet. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. All if you add means what you got actually? He got actually 193. All numbers if you add 193 you got. Check anyway. Okay, yeah. Then, but what is my answer? These 193 people are what? Divisible by 2357. But my answer is what? Who are not divisible by 2357. So, now I will do
250 minus 193.
193. So 57 integers are not divisible by 2357. Can you able to do this? Okay. Yes, you can do. Again, check actually. Numbers you can check. Maybe we are missing somewhere. I hope actually everything we done, but one by one slowly you can add. You will get the answer. Give that place 569,
Yes, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71, 72. Sir, speak out, sir. Don't give the chat box.
71 and 72 put it in chat box.
Don't put chat box. Sir. I'll give the option. Why you are not talking 1 second also? 73,
Present.
74,
Present, sir.
75,
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
77, 78,
Present, sir.
79, not there. So 79, 80,
Present, sir.
81,
Present, sir.
82,
Present, sir. Present.
83,
Present, sir.
84.
85 present, sir.
Okay. 84, not there.
Not here, sir.
86,
Present, sir.
87, 88,
Present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91, 92,
Present, sir.
93,
Present, sir.
94,
Present, sir.
95.
Present, sir. Sir, 91 put in the chat box.
No, he has to tell. I seen actually. What are you doing? At least 1 second also you are able to not talk means what? With a lot of struggle, I am taking class actually with camera and my laptop and one stand and standing here like this. You people are not at least react means what can I do with it? There or not, I don't know 1 hour. For attendance also if you not do means what can I do? Up to where I came? 90?
95, sir.
95. 96.
Sir, 96 is not there. 97 present.
Okay, good, good. 98.
Present, sir.
99.
Present, sir.
600.
Present, sir.
601.
601 not there, sir. 602 present.
2.
Present.
3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6. 7.
Present, sir.
8. 9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present.
11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Sir, present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir. 20 present.
21.
Present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25. 26.
Yes, sir.
25 27.
Present, sir.
28.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
32. 632.
Sir.
So options are 606, 591, 577.
Sir, 606 present, sir.
What are you doing up to now?
So I was waiting for you to complete the attendance, sir.
Okay, okay. No problem. Okay, sir.
Sir, 577, sir.
What?
Sir, 577, sir.
What are you doing, sir? You have to speak out, sir.
Sir, I have given chat book, sir. There is a net issue.
No, don't put in chat box. Because
Yes, sir,
I'm
sir.
working on 4-5 device for you only.
Yes, sir. Next
I'm
time I
not
will
my sake, I'm working here. For you only. Okay, just try to understand. At least you can speak out, then I'm happy.
Okay.
You will be inside like this.
Okay.
Then 91 also can inform them to ask them to next class. He has to do the at least speak out. I want to listen your voice at least once. I am talking 1 hour. Can't you talk 5 seconds? Okay, bye. Can leave, sir, now.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.